How to customize the look of your invoices. You can fully white label your invoices, making sure your clients see only what you choose to show. TaxDome lets you personalize your invoices by customizing the color scheme, layout, firm info, CRM data from custom fields, and line item details. To do so, go to the billing page under the Settings section. You can toggle on and off in the Firm Info section to select what firm information can appear on invoices. The Custom Fields section will allow you to add any extra info you want to include in invoices. Under the Design settings, you can modify the following aspects. First, the layout. Choose from 3 different types that define how the invoice elements are arranged. Next, you can adjust the size of your firm logo. If you don't have a firm logo yet, you can add one in the firm settings. Finally, you can select the accent color for the invoice. This will affect the invoice title and the line item table header color. If the suggested colors don't fit, enter the desired color's hex code in the text input field. While customizing the invoice appearance, you may want to test it. Click the Save button and then click Preview at the top right of the page to see a basic PDF invoice with placeholders. Below the Design section, you'll see the Line Item section. If you want to exclude or include a particular line item, turn the toggles on and off. If the description and service date fields are empty and you didn't hide them, they will automatically be hidden from the invoice. There is a different logic for the rates and quantity and tax columns. You should hide them in settings so they are not displayed in the invoice, even if the value is set to 0.